Hi everyone, Mami Motes here. I got my new customized prosthetic legs through UARM by Dr. Penny Bondoc. Again, sa lahat ng mga tumulong at nagdasal para sa akin, hindi ko na po kayo iisa-isahin pa. Pero deep in my heart, maraming salamat po. You may be able to break me down temporarily, but grab a seat and watch me. Pick up the pieces, rebuild, and come back stronger than ever. So help me God.